Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome again to Mathematics and I. It is your favorite presenter, Jeff Nino. And today on the board, we shall be looking at how to solve the sum of an AP. Okay, solving the sum of an AP. Now, for you to be able to solve problems on sum of an AP, you need first to understand the formula. And the formula for solving sum of an AP is Sn is n over 2 into the brackets of 2a plus a minus 1d. Okay, now Sn represents the number of sums, okay, and the a represents our first term, and d represents our common difference. So this is the formula you can apply in solving problems for sum of an AP. Now we shall be solving the question to see how we can actually make use of this formula. Now the question says, for an arithmetical sequence, the first term is 2. Now remember we just said a represents the first term, so a is 2, okay, and the common difference is 3. So our d represents the common difference is 3. Now the question says find the sum of the first 11 terms. Now our n here becomes 11 because that is what they said we should find, the sum of the first 11 terms. So my n is 11 and my s11 is unknown. Because this is what they said we should find, the sum of the first 11 terms. We don't know this. But we know that n is 11. The number of terms, 11. Okay, now that we've brought this out, what are we going to do now? We have to substitute these values into this formula. Now doing this, we're going to have this. n now becomes x11 is equal to 11 over 2 into the bracket of 2. A is 2, okay, substitute C, plus n is 11. Minus 1 and my d is 3. Alright, now again we proceed. We have this 11 over 2 into the bracket of 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4, and we have 10 brackets 3. Now how did I get 10? 11 minus 1 gives us 10. Now next we have 11 over 2 into the bracket of 4 plus 30. And how did I come about 30? 10 multiplied by 3 gives us 30. And so we have 11 over 2 into the bracket of 34, which automatically gives us 187. Because 11 times 34 divided by 2 gives us 187. So this becomes the answer if we should solve this question using the sum of an AP formula. It is as simple as this. Okay, let us see if we can apply again another question in solving using the sum of an AP. Let's see if we can get something like this. Okay. All right. Now the next question says, find the sum of the first 20th terms in an arithmetic program whose first term is 7 and last term is 117. Now this question is a little different from the first which we just did, because in this question the first and the last term was given, and then we are asked to find the sum of the first 20th terms. Now whenever the first and last term is given, you have a formula you apply, not this formula. Okay, this formula is not used. Now the formula you make use of is Sn is equal to n over 2 into the bracket of a plus n. Okay, that is the formula you apply when the first and last term is given. Now a represents the first term and n represents the last term. So according to this question now, our first term given was 7 and our last term given was 117. Now our n is 20 because we were asked to find the sum of the first 20 attempts, and our x20 is unknown because that is what they said we should look for, the sum of the first 20 attempts. Now applying this, or substituting these values into the formula, we are going to get this. Now n is 20, so I have x20 is equal to 20 over 2 into the bracket of 7 plus 117. That is all. Okay, now here becomes x20 is equal to 10. Now how did I get 10? 20 divided by 2 gives us 10 into the bracket of 7 plus 117 will give us 124. Okay, so therefore our sum of the first 20 terms becomes 1,240. And how did I get 1,240? 124 multiplied by 10 gives us 1,240. So class, I believe with these two examples you can apply sum of an AP and also the sum of an AP where the first and the last term is given. So we have come to the end of today's class. If you know you enjoyed the class, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and don't forget to share the video. Till we meet again in our next video, thank you for watching and bye for now.